All right, if you don't see any dirt on your sheets or mattress, then it's clean. If you believe that and you don't regularly clean your bedding, you're sleeping wrong. Here's a list of the common bugs, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microscopic freeloaders that can infest or affect a bed. Now, some of these get pretty tricky and they're tongue twisters, so give me a break, but let's get through this. Number one, insect and mites. Bed bugs, the blood-feeding nocturnal insects that hide in your mattress, headboard, and seams. Those are there. Dust mites, those are microscopic. They feed on dead skin cells and they thrive in warm, humid bedding. Fleas can live in bedding if pets sleep in the bed. Carpet beetles, larvae can infest bedding and feed on natural fibers. Lice, head and body lice, not common in bedding unless there's poor hygiene or infestation. Bacteria, now we're getting into real tongue twisters. We've got Staphylococcus aureus that can cause skin infections, and it's common on skin and linens. E. coli is found if hygiene is poor or after an illness, especially if somebody eats in bed. Salmonella, that can survive on sheets if transferred via contaminated hands or pets. Pseudomonas aeruginosa, that's a hard one. It thrives in moist environments and can cause skin rashes. Klebsiella pneumoniae, linked to respiratory infections, and it can survive on fabrics. How about viruses? Norovirus stays on bedding for days and spreads through contact with contaminated surfaces. The influenza virus, that can remain viable on fabric for hours up to a day. Rhinovirus, or the common cold, it's short-lived but contagious if your bedding is shared. COVID-19, that can survive briefly on soft surfaces, but it's less stable than on hard ones. Fungi and mold. Candida albicans, a yeast that can live on sheets and pillows in humid environments, that can be present. Aspergillus, a mold that can cause respiratory problems. Trichophyton, which is the ringworm fungus. It causes athlete's foot and other skin infections, and it can spread via fabric. Other nasties like human skin cells, they're not a pathogen, but they feed dust mites. Body oils and sweat promote bacteria growth and yellowing. Pet dander and hair, it's an allergen that carriers attract more mites. Weekly sheet washing in hot water, vacuuming the mattress, and using allergen-proof pillow mattress covers is key to keeping your sleep space healthy. Have you ever thought of any of this? Do you keep your sheets and mattress clean? If so, why? If not, why not? Let us know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, it's about time. Please subscribe because you're probably sleeping wrong.